Okay, mission accomplished. New tires. I picked up a nail about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. Yeah. It's been about 2 weeks since I've ridden this beautiful Black Panther. And so I'm breaking in some new tires. The tires that were on there apparently are just so Metzler, I think they're called. The tires that I bought are tires I have purchased before. Michelin Road Pilot 5s. But now that I'm back on this little beast, man, does it feel different, you know? I can really feel the engine underneath me on this bike, this boxer engine. Just the way it kind of rumbles. It's got like this cool bumbly rumble. Oh, how do I describe it? Anyway, oh, it's good to be back on my baby. I don't know, there's just something about BMWs. What can I say? Something about BMWs. I'm just a fan. I really am just a fan. Yeah, these tires feel good. I gotta say, I think I do. I'm not an expert as far as how bikes feel, but I think I feel a little more planted to the road, which I like that feeling. I like the sound of this exhaust. Yeah, baby. What the? Are these people waiting to get into Jocko's? Oh my gosh. Look at that, Gary. I gotta show that to Gary. Oh my gosh. They must open at 4, yeah. Fabulous. I'm not a tire expert, but these tires feel good. Good choice, Alex. You're so smart, Alex. Oh, thank you. I've been studying a lot about bikes. Yay! Gracias, amigo. Oh yeah, I feel much better on this bike now. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hold on, baby. And your fun just ended. Turn left. Oh, I love you. I love you, brother. I love you, brother. Oh, sweetness and light. That's how this bike feels. Sweetness and light. So much better. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Hey, hey. Thumbs up. Hey, hey. Roller coaster. Roller coaster. Yep, very nice. Very nice. So nice. bike. Woo-hoo-hoo! I love this hill. I love this view. Love it. Beautiful Arroyo Grande. I love you. I love this cool marine layer. Well, in conclusion, in this beautiful valley that I live, I gotta say, thumbs up! Michelin Road Pilot 5. Thumbs up to all of you who are looking for tires for your BMW R1250R or whatever bike. Man, I am super happy with these tires. Excelente. Thanks for coming, guys. Catch you on the rebound.